Lisa Cleveland from the Wando Mount Pleasant Library. I'm here today to show you how to make a candy aquarium. The ingredients you're going to need are blue jello. I am using berry blue jello, but you can use any flavored blue jello. You also need some nerds and some Swedish fish and some glass containers that you can see through so you can see the aquarium. So the first thing you're going to do is make your jello. You're going to make it ahead of time, so make it as directed on the package. Mixing it in hot boiling water, and then adding my cool water to it. Making sure that it's mixed up correctly and thoroughly. After you're done mixing up your jello, you're just going to pour it into your glass container. I'm using plastic. And then you're going to refrigerate it for 4 hours. I refrigerated mine overnight so that it's completely solid. So here is my jello already made. The next thing you're going to do is take another glass or plastic container, see-through, and get your nerds. And pour it on the bottom of the container. This is going to represent the pebbles in an aquarium. You're going to take now your pre-made jello and you're going to use a knife and cut it out. You are now going to pour the jello into the container with the nerds in it. It can get a little messy. The blue jello is going to represent the water in the aquarium. The last step you're going to do is take your Swedish fish. And you're going to cut a hole into your jello and slide your Swedish fish into it. And there you have it, your candy aquarium.